Welcome to the channel, everybody. On today's video, we're going to be replacing the screen on the screen door on this Keystone Cougar. As you can see, my screen at the bottom here is missing. The top portion is there. Fairly easy task. Now, you can certainly do this with the door attached, but I think we'll go ahead and remove the door, put it on the floor. It'll be a little easier. There's going to be a total of 6 screws on the hinges. There's 2 here, 2 on the top hinge, and then 2 on the bottom hinge. Now, you can use a Phillips head or a square to remove these screws. So let's get those removed and get the door off of the camper. We have the screen door removed. These hinges obviously will stay part of that. So I have the door here laid flat on the floor. I have a piece of screen that I have from leftover from another project. I also have that retainer edge or spline, whatever they call it. So really all you need is a 20 by 28 piece. Obviously it's not going to come exact, so you'll get a roll of the screen, and we'll cut it to this dimension here, leaving it a little bit longer than these actual edges. A tool like this that came with this screen repair kit does actually help. It's got these rollers to push this rubber into this channel to hold the screen. So that does help, and I'll leave links to all these parts and screen in the description for you. So let's get this cut to dimension and we'll start installing this. So I was able to lay just a piece of the screen onto the door. You know, obviously when I cut it a little bit longer. You know, I was able to push that rubber edge in to hold the screen. So I got 3 sides done. I just need to do the 4th side here. Fairly easy to do. We're just going to put that in the channel there, just like so, and then we'll use our tool to guide that into the channel, which will actually pull the screen nice and tight so you want to hold the edge as you're pushing it in with the tool. They'll get it nice and straight. So we'll get that done. Like I said, I did cut it a little bit longer on the edges, at least on this side and the other side. I'm hoping I can just take a razor blade and take the excess off afterwards. I was able to push that final edge into the channel with our tool, and I was able to take a razor blade and just hold it to the side here, and I was able to cut off all the extra pieces off the edge. Now it's nice and flush, looks clean. So this door is ready to go back onto the camper. So we have the door back in place. Now that was fairly easy to do. Put it back in position as it would be when it's closed. Line up your hinges and the same holes that were there. Put all the screws in. I would put all the screws in first before you tighten any of them, just to get them all in the right spot. And obviously you don't want to over tighten them. But nice, fairly easy job. Took less than 15-20 minutes. Super easy. Now the door looks good. Hopefully this video has helped someone out. I thank you for watching.